I represent One Dental Station. Now, if you ask me One Dental Station, we are into multiple folds. We've understood dentistry in length. So we give solutions to interiors, dental clinic interiors, and we have a full-fledged dental lab. And we also give solutions to distribution of dental products. Now, if I have to speak about One Dental Station was started by a group of dentist fraternity trying to understand the requirement and the challenge available to the dentist. So at One Dental Station, when I talk about interiors, we try and handle dental interiors end-to-end. So when I say end-to-end, right from the point of view from the dentist requirement, from a plumbing activity to a false ceiling, to a requirement in terms of electrical, in terms of plug points, in terms of equipment. So we handle end-to-end. So what is it in advantage to the dentist is they can just sign the property and give it to us, and we will give them solutions based on their requirements, based on their budgets, and based on the kind of model and plan they want. So meaning to say, when they give us the property, we hand over the finished product. So which is what we are trying to say as a dentist, keeping the requirement of a dentist. And for the time we spent about 20 years in dentistry, running clinics, looking at the lab from the dentist point of view, which is why we feel, give us an opportunity and see, and we can create milestones. Okay, well, I was mentioning to you the reasons why One Dental Station came up based on the requirement of a dentist. What we try and do here is trying to bring in quality, trying to bring in the consciousness of the price, because we really want to give a value for the money what you invest in looking for a product, which is why One Dental Station came into existence. Now, if you ask me the range of products, we don't cater to the entire range. We are very exclusive. We look at unique products. We specialize in few products which we think can be a game changer from the point of view of dentistry. Bring in the product, it's going to add value to a dentist, and at the end of the day, the patient is also going to get the benefit of the sourcing. So we spend a lot of time in looking out for products not only within the country but outside the country. There's a lot of research which goes into it. One of them I would want to suggest is the chair, which we talk about. Now, if you ask me, everybody's been selling chairs. These are imported chairs which we promise that, okay, once a chair is sold today, I think the dentist is very worried about what about the service, what's going to happen when there's a problem. So we tell them we're based here, and we are also associated as a lab, which is why we are in touch with most of the dentists. So when there is a problem, it's a call away and we can reach out. Now, from the chair point of view, we're trying to give a package, So today, if you look at the USP of selling of a chair, it is a chair separate, a compressor separate, and so many other things. So we're trying to bring in a combo, thereby giving value. So when I say we sell a chair along with a compressor and few other things like a scaler, air motor, light cure. So many things are given in combination with the chair, which is why I am sure the dentist will feel a value for an imported chair being available at a cost almost equivalent to an Indian chair's price. So look out for One Dental Station for more products. Thank you.